Right. So old model. So that's why we are feeling small, lengthy procedure, not difficulty, lengthy procedure only. So that's why today we go through the second model is the simplest model. Same procedure only, slightly difference. Okay, na? They make the number of steps is the simplification. That is the slightly they are going to make simplification. That is the from 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 are the same models. Okay, na? 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So today I go through the 19th problem. Everyone see the 19th problem. So by using the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is n plus 1 into n plus 5, n plus 5 is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3. This is the first same model. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 2 is the changing. Step 3 also it will make as a simplification, not for long procedure. So type 1 is a long procedure. For type 2, they are making the minimizing. Write down the step 1, everyone. Step 1 is principle of n numbers. Principle of n number, that is the nth term is given. Principle of n number, n plus 1, n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. For n is equal to 1, take n is equal to 1. So then we get the principle of one value is, the principle of one value is see 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5, that is equal to total value is the 1 into 2 into 6, total value is the 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 4. So we are getting the 12, 12 is a multiple of 3, multiple of 3, very good. 12 is a multiple of 3, therefore, so P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Here no left hand side, no right hand side. So very minimized. They are minimizing the more steps they are minimizing. No left hand side, no right hand side, no simplification on the left hand side, right hand side. Just observe it is a multiple of 3 na, not a multiple of 3 na. N is equal to 2, we get the same multiple of 3. For example, say n is equal to 2, 3, 6, 6 plus 7, 42. 42 is also multiple of 3. So that is equal to 14. 14, 3 times is the 42. Every number we are getting the multiple of 3 only. Therefore, now step 2, write down everyone. Write down the step 2. Assume that P of kth number, P of k is true. P of k is true. Now write down P of k is equal to n place is the k plus 1, k plus 5, k plus 5. If P of k, P of 1 is true, means it is a multiple of 3 into some number. So see, P of 1 is true means, you can observe, P of 1 is true means, so 3 into some number. So 3 into some number, here we write P of 1 is true. P of 1 means true means it is a multiple of 3 with some number. P of k, already we say that P of k is true means P of k is 3 into some number. So 3 in place of P of k, write down 3 into some number. That number is I am writing as a m is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 5. Once again I am explaining this point is everyone else observe P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true mean. So when we write P of 1 is true, when we write P of 1 is true, so P of 1 is a multiple of 3 with some number. So 3 multiply with some number is a 4. Then only we say that P of 1 is true. 3 is the multiple of with some number 4. Then we say that it is a what you say that it is a true. In the same way, P of k is true mean P of k is the compulsory multiple of 3 into some number. 3 into some number is let it be as a P. So let it be as a M. Okay, na? Now find now let it be equation number 1. Some play equation number 1. What is the necessary we are going to take in equation number 3? Right, step 3. Come to the everyone, step 3. Am I clear now, everyone? No doubt now here is understand that P of 1 is true mean 3. When we say that P of 1 is true, 3 into some number multiplication, then we say that P of 1 is true. P of k, already we say that P of k is true mean, P of k is true mean, P of k place write down some 3 into some number. 3 is the multiple of with some number. So in place of P of k write down, because of P of k is we write true. P of k is we write true. That's why in place of P of k write down 3 into some number multiplication. That number is I am let it be as a M. Any M is the any number 4, 1 time 5, 1 time 6, 1 time 7. It may be possible. After step 3, for k is equal to k plus 1. For k is equal to k plus 1. For k is equal to k plus 1. Everyone see. For k is equal to k plus 1. Now write down P of k place is write down k plus 1 is equal to k place is the k plus 1. K place is the k plus 1 plus 1. K place is the k plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5. P of k place is the k plus 1. K place is the k plus 1 already plus 1. K place is the k plus 1 already plus 5. Now write down the P of k, everyone. I am writing here P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1. So next k plus 2. Next k plus 6. K plus 6. Okay, na? Right. In these three, what value we have in equation 1C? In these three, what value we have in equation number 3C? Equation number 1, we have k plus 1 value is possible to write. So here k plus 1 we have, k plus 2 we have, k plus 6 have. Here no k plus 2, no k plus 6. Here no k plus 2, no k plus 6. Only we have k plus 1. From this one, what is the k plus 1 value? Is the 3m by k into k plus 5. Right, from 1 right down, from 1. From equation 1. From 1 right down, everyone. From equation 1, I am using from equation 1, we k plus 1 value is 3m by k into k plus 5. Once again, I am explaining this point is everyone see. So here we have k plus 1, we have k plus 2, k plus 6. But in equation 1, no k plus 2, no k plus 6. We have only k plus 1. Here k plus 1 we have, here also k plus 1 we have. Therefore, what is the value of k plus 1 from the equation is 3m by k into k plus 5. I will write that one. Substitute in the place of P of k plus 1. K plus 1 place is 3m by k into k plus 5 into k plus 2 into k plus 6 into k plus 6. Okay, na? Into k plus 6. K plus 2 into k plus 6. So P of k plus 1 is equal to 3 into m k plus 2, k plus 6, k plus 2, k plus 6 upon k into k plus 5. It is also multiple of 3 with some number. It is also multiple of 3 with some number. K plus 1 also multiple of 3. So see, we get the 3 with some number. So k plus 1 also multiple of 3 with some number. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. K plus 1 is true. Write down by the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is true for small n belongs to capital N. This problem only. Very simple steps. Very simple steps. Here we are writing k plus 1. What value we have? K plus 1. Move towards right side. Okay. Okay. Now see. Okay, now? So here k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 6, but k plus 2 not there in equation 1. Today in test we have these problems. No. Up to what I am telling Thursday. Thursday problems, no. So 18th, 9, 24, 19, 20 is not there. Up to 17 only. Right, it is clear everyone. Only step 1 observe. In step 1 k plus 1, k plus 5. But here observe k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 6. We have only k plus 1. That's why find out the k plus 1 value and write down in that k plus 1. So next, it is also multiple of 3. It is also multiple 3 into some number. 3 into some. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. Very simple. Did sir. Very good. Very good, Amarani. Very good. Right. Can I go through the 20th problem? Can I move towards 20th problem? Amresh, yes. Amresh, yes, is given. Remaining person, Sabai, yes, is given. Understood, sir. Aswini is clear. Right. Now I move towards 20th problem. Right. Write down the 20th problem, everyone. Everyone note down the 20th problem. Very good. Right. 20th problem, note down, everyone. 10 power of 2n minus 1, 10 power raised to 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. So right second step after from 1. Yes. Second step na right from the equation 1. From the equation 1. In equation 1 we have only k plus 1 only. Okay na? Equation 1. See, in equation 1 we have the value of k plus 1 only. No k plus 2, no k plus 6. Therefore k plus 1 value find out and substitute. And substitute in P of k plus 1. Okay, that clear, Amma? Right. Everyone go through the 20th problem. Move towards everyone. Step 1, write down. First step 1, do problem. Step 1. P of n, principal of n numbers is equal to 10 to the power of 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11 means it is a multiple of 11. Compulsory divisible by 11 means multiple of 11 is the meaning. So divisible by 11 means multiple of 11 only. Right. Now write down for n is equal to 1. P of 1. So 10 to the power of 2 times of 1 minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 is the 1 plus 1. Therefore 11 into some number. So it is also multiple of 11. Therefore P of is a multiple of 11. Is a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 means E is divisible by 11. is divisible by 11. Multiple of 11 or divisible by 11, both are same, but he is given divisible, write down divisible by 11. So immediately, so P of 1 is 2. P of 1 is 2. Divisible by 11 means 11 is the one of the factor. 11 into some number. 11 into some number. Okay, na? Right, step 2, write down everyone. Everyone write down this step 2. Assume that P of K is true. P of K is true. Right, everyone? Everyone write down. P of K is equal to, n place write down K. So 10 to the power of 2K minus 1 plus 1. Okay, na? So P of 1 is true means 11 into some number. P of K is true means 11 into some number. 11 into that number is M. So 10 to the power of 2K minus 1 plus 1. Okay, na? Right. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be equation number 1. Yes, already true. We are assuming P of K is true. We take P of 1 is true means 11 into some number. P of K is true means 11 into some number. That number is, I am let it be. We don't know now that number. What is the multiplication? That number I am going to let it be as a M. Let it be equation number 1. Right. Step 3. Write down everyone. Step 3. For K is equal to K plus 1. P of K plus 1 is equal to K place write down. K place 10 to the power of 2 times of K plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Right, simplify. 10 to the power of 2K plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. Carefully observe. Don't immediately simplify. Don't do the simplification. Equation 1, observe. Equation 1, we have the 10 to the power of 2K minus 1 plus 1 value we have. That is 11, 1. Here also change. I will write here, see. P of K plus 1. P of K plus 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 2K minus 1. 10 to the power of 2K minus 1 plus 2. I will separate as a 10 square plus 1. 10 square plus 1. Okay, now 2K minus 1. From equation 1C, we have the 10 to the power of 2K minus 1. From 1, this is the let it be. From 1, we have the value of 10 to the power of 2K minus 1 value is 11M minus 1. 11, 1, 11M minus 1. Is it correct? Write down in that place P of K plus 1. In that place, write down P of K plus 1. P of K plus 1 is equal to, in this place is write down value 11M minus 1 into 10 square plus 1 into 10 square plus 1. Right. 11M into 10 square is 100. 11M into 100 minus 1 into 10 square means 100 plus 1. Right, 100 plus 1 is minus 100 plus 1 is the minus 99. 11M into 100 minus 99. In these two, what is the common is? 11 is common. 11 is common. 100M minus 9. So 11 into some number means is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. By 11. Therefore, P of K plus 1 is true. K plus 1 is true. Write down the principle of mathematical induction. Write down everyone. Very good. Very good. Once again, sir. Where we want Ishwari, where we want Amma. Once again, can I explain once again? Right, see the. So 11m is equal to P of K is true mean. In that place we write 11m. So, sir, right side not getting, sir. Okay. Last fifth step, sir. Now see, now it is clear now everyone. Last fifth step, Amma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now right. See, here is from first equation. Understood, sir. Completely right. From the first equation, see, Amma. From the equation 1. From the equation 1. What is the equation 1 is? We have 10 to the power of 2k minus 1 is equal to 11m minus 1. Is equal to 11m minus 1. Equation 1, see, Amma. 11m minus 1. 11m minus 1. Is it clear? Okay, now clear, Amma? So next, I will write, this is the 10 to the power of 2k minus 1 place here. I will write 11m minus 1, 11m minus 1 into 10 square plus 1. Now it is understand? Iswari, now understand? Yes, sir. Okay. Right, everyone go through the 21st problem, same model, 21st problem. Everyone go through the 21st, same models. Here is the very simple, same models. Go to the 21st problem. Everyone go through the 21st problem. Right, 21st problem. X power of 2n minus y power of 2n is divisible by x plus y. X plus y. Divisible means x plus y is the one of the factor. Divisible means x plus y is the one of the factor. Right. Everyone work out this step 1 and step 2 first. Move towards. Everyone work out step 1 and step 2 first. Step 1 and step 2. Step 1. Let P of n, principal of n numbers, is equal to x power of 2n minus y power of 2n is divisible by, divisible means one of the factor, divisible by x plus y means x plus y is the one of the factor. Take 1, n is equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to x power of 2 into 1 minus y power of 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is the 2 only, x square minus y square. What is the factors of x square plus minus y square? X plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. One of the factor is the x plus y. One of the factor is the x plus y. Very good. One of the factor is the x plus y. Is divisible by x plus y. Is divisible by x plus y. One of the factor is the x plus y. Therefore, it is divisible by x plus y. Okay, now divisible by x plus y. Right. Go through this step 2, everyone. Go through this step 2. Assume that P of k is true. So P of 1 is true. Write down. Therefore, P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true mean x plus y is the one of the factor. P of k plus 1 is true. P of k is equal to x power of 2k minus y power of 2k. P of 1 is true means x plus y is the one of the factor. Therefore, P of k is true mean x plus y into some number is equal to x power of 2k minus y power of 2k. Let it be equation number 1. Very good, Amresh. P of step 3, go through everyone. Step 3. Go through the step 3. For k is equal to k plus 1. For k is equal to k plus 1. P of k plus 1 is equal to x power of 2 times of k place in the k plus 1 minus y power of 2 times of k plus 1. Okay, na? Right. My equation 1c, x power of 2k value right now, x plus y into m plus y power of 2n is equal to x power of 2n. This is let it be equation number 1 now. This is let it be here in. So somebody is getting how sir. So I am writing x plus y into m plus this term bring negative y, second term bring on the right hand side is equal to x power of 2k. Let it be equation number 1. Now it is clear. Already equation 1 is the value of x power of 2k. Is the value of x power of 2k. Write down step 3 everyone and work out. Step 3, write down and work out. Step 3. For k is equal to k plus 1. For k is equal to k plus 1. Right, P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 is equal to x power of 2 times of k plus 1 minus y power of 2 times of k plus 1. 2 times of k plus 1. Right, now simplify. P of k plus 1 is equal to x power of 2k plus 2. 2 is minus y power of 2k plus 2. Right, a power of m plus n formula. P of k plus 1 is equal to x power of 2k into x square minus y power of 2k into y square. What is the formula is clear na? A power of m plus n is equal to a power of m into a power of n formula. Bases are equal, power should be added. Okay, na? Now from 1 x power of 2y value, see equation 1, x power of 2y value write down in that place. Equation 1, from equation 1 x power of 2k, x power of 2k value write down. P of k plus 1 is equal to x power of x plus y into m plus y power of 2k is the value of x power of 2k value from equation 1. X power of 2k value is this one from equation 1 into x square minus y power of 2k into y square. X square multiply and simplify everyone. I will write here x square multiply and simplify. X square multiply for this one. X square multiply, distribute. X square is distribute. P of k plus 1 is equal to x plus y into m into x square plus y power of 2k into x square minus y power of 2k into y square. If these two y power of 2k take common, so x p of k plus 1, p of k plus 1 is equal to x plus y m into x square. Y power of 2k is common. Here is the x square minus here is the y square. X square minus y square well formula write down. Everyone, x square minus y square formula. P of k plus 1 is equal to x plus y into m into x square plus y power of 2k x plus y into x minus y. Now what is the common see? What is the common everyone see? What is the common you can see? What is the common is? So x plus y is common. P of k plus 1 is equal to x plus y is common. What is the remaining is mx square plus x minus y into y power of 2k. So one of the factor is x plus y. So one of the factor is x plus y means it is divisible by x plus y. Now write down E is divisible by x plus y. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. K plus 1 is true. Understand everyone? Check everyone one time. You should check. Only two problems are remaining. Only two problems are remaining. Everyone check, understand clearly. Anyone have the doubt? Clear. Ashwini is given clear. Okay, yes, sir. Understood, sir. Okay. Okay, now? Right. I'm going to stop the. So we have the examination. That's why I'm going to stop today. Test timing. That's test timing. Already I put in WhatsApp also. 2 to 3 subjective, 4 to 5 objective. Okay, now I am ending the meeting. Everyone. Right. Today we have the examination. That's why I'm ending.